Alright, yo, so I'm pulling up to the shop right now. Long ass night last night. Freaking drove 42 minutes to go do some runs that I ended up not even doing any runs, which is crazy. Then drove 42 minutes back home. Well, not fully 42 minutes because we ended up going to this spot in Elizabeth where they usually have cars out. Like, we just chill. And so I actually technically rolled out. That was like half an hour though. So then drove back like half an hour, chilled over there for a little bit. Then thankfully we were able to do runs later that night, like 1 a.m. something like that. Ended up coming home at like 2. But we here, bro. We here today. Like I told you guys before in the other video, Craig's next project car is a red EG hatch. And let me shut the car off. Grab my gloves, grab my hat, because you know it's brick. And yeah, let me go inside. Man, so basically today, hold on, there you go. Lock the car. So basically today, I'm gonna show you guys the red hatch that he's gonna build. Yeah, he's gonna case swap. Right now it has, well, I don't know how much work he's done inside, but he's gonna take out the original single cam in it and throw a case swap in. So I'm gonna try to show you guys all of that. Yeah, well, you took long, so I figured, hey, I have a little bit more time.
Man, I told you, be there 9 o'clock in the morning, bro.
Bro, you were struggling with the straps, yo. Nah, yo, but yo, long ass night, bro. Crazy. Because nothing ended up happening.
That's why I told you. That's why sometimes I don't.
Stupid.
Sometimes the street racing, like I love it to death, man. It's what I started on.
Yep.
But it's no fun no more.
It's not like how it was.
Yeah, it's like.
Not the same.
What turned me off was the cops are all over.
Also, everybody just, even the guys like in the chat, they're like, oh, it's cold. I'm like, what? Come on, man. Come on, you're in the car. Well, I guess if you have no heat in the car. But you know, still.
You're about being frozen to death. That was cold. It was yeah, I told you. Like you're.
The morning, but now it feels like a little less.
Yeah, no, this morning, even my fucking straps, putting the straps on, to get the truck load up, the straps were frozen. I was there fighting off. It would take me 2 minutes to load up the car. I was there for like half an hour. I had to bring the straps inside the house, warm them up a little bit.
Yeah, it's definitely brutal. Nice. These are powder coated, right?
Huh?
The trailing arms?
No, I painted them.
Oh, you did? Oh, it looks nice. It looks like powder coated.
No,
Yeah, this car is gonna be nice. Yeah, this car is definitely not bad, yo. Once you start piecing it up, it'll look night and day. It's like every car you do. Everybody's like, oh yeah, it looks nice. And then they want to buy it once it's done already.
Yeah.
It's like, of course, bro. Once it's finished, it's a whole different...
It's a whole different automobile.
Okay. Okay. Were you gonna do the preload, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I raced Antoine. Good race too. But again. Alright guys, so today we ended up putting the rear control arms on, and we swapped out the trailing arms for drums for discs in the back. It also has the red rubber inserts, which is a nice add-on, and we also painted them as well, which you guys saw. You know, just adding our little touches to it. Now, next video, we should be working on the front end of the car. You know, the other coilovers in the front, adjusting height and all that stuff. So, again, keeping you guys plugged in every step, and just trying to make these videos, upload them as fast as I can, so you guys, like I said, once we put this car up for sale, you guys will have a chance to buy it, if you guys choose to. Or if you know someone that would be interested. But yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.